We had the opportunity to outfit the service and parts department here at the new Porsche location. And it's a project where we're able to supply from A to Z everything that we offer. Not only the products, but services as well. From the vehicle lifts, all the way to the parts department, tire carousel, material handling elevator. It's a real showpiece for us. All right, so this facility has 19 service bays. It has a large parts department and a separate area for vehicle wheel service, which includes alignment, tire changer, wheel balancer, tire storage, etc. Now we've integrated a lot of other systems in here to not only make the workshop functional, but also make it a comfortable environment. So it all starts right here, the service drive. We have the Hunter Quick Check Drive system and Quick Tread Edge. We're automatically checking alignment, we're checking tire depth, and we're taking 40 high resolution images of the body panels. We've outfitted the shop with new SPAM SLH 2-post lifts. We have one-touch electronic controls for up, down, and lower the locks. We have a raised power unit. We have low-profile alarms to get under those low Porsches. We have Russo workbenches and toolbox setups. So these workbenches here by Russo offer a lot of different features and benefits. We have a tech cart garage with a nice ergonomic lock storage for the technicians, all in Porsche colors. Closing a bench, we have a compressed air hose reel, and we have built-in trash. Make it all nice, neat, and clean. Not only does it have everything a technician would need to get the job done, but now it's organized and clean so that when they leave for the day, this shop is gonna look like it does now. Right up here, waste oil heater by Energy Logic, powering this whole facility with waste oil heat. Further down the run, fresh oil distribution. Another great feature in this building is the in-ground exhaust system by Worky. Easy access. Hook it to the vehicle, and then it stows away nice and clean and neat. So we're in the alignment bay. We're gonna have a recessed alignment rack here with a tire changer and wheel balancer. They're moving that over right now. And in close proximity, we have a 2-floor tire carousel that goes down into the basement for additional storage. This large unit, 26 foot high in total, will house about 350 tires. So what really separates ourselves from our competitors is our ability to coordinate our systems with the rest of the building. So here we're actually able to integrate our waste oil heating system right alongside the building's RTU. So we have electronic controls to make it seamless and neat. Here is the VRC, Vertical Reciprocating Conveyor, basically a parts and freight elevator, 2,000-pound capacity, and we've built into this a future second level in case they want to go to a mezzanine later for additional storage. All right, we're here in the basement, which is basically the heart and main storage area for all the mechanical equipment. Here we have access to the tire carousel that we just saw, and over here we have 2 rotary screw air compressors and our Transair aluminum air piping. There's over 450 feet of piping in the shop that runs from the basement out to the service department and then out to the service drive. Also down here is the waste oil boiler. That provides a radiant heating line along the glass to keep that showroom warm and minimize heat loss. We also have waste oil storage and fresh oil storage as well, and remote fills that will fill and evac those tanks out. So I hope you enjoyed your tour here of Catena Porsche of Edison. Us as First Choice, we're humbled to be here, be a part of this project, and be a part of the outcome. Definitely a showcase piece. I just want to thank our team of employees. We have the finest installers, planners, purchasing, managers, you name it. We've all came together specifically on this project to ensure the right outcome. So what we really try to leverage is just our experience and ability to coordinate all these moving pieces into one facility. It's essential not only to install the products correctly, but also to work with the general contractor and the customer to ensure that this is a smooth and seamless project.